Hello everybody. In this lesson, we are going to learn how we can use sort and filter options inside our pivot table. This is the data set that we have been using here. Okay. So we have taken here, you just look at, these are the four boxes. We have taken here in filter we have used this color versus black and white and rating, and row we have put genre. And these are the two values we have put under values. So this is the output that we have got it. Okay. So basically, what is the difference between sorting and filtering? Basically, sorting rearranges data based on column values. Okay. Based on column values, it rearranges the data. Whereas filtering displays any data that meets specific criteria or conditions. Okay. We can put one condition. Suppose the value is greater than certain number, we can use filter here. But in case of sorting, it will just sort our data based on A to Z or Z to A, ascending or descending order. Okay, we can have this. You can see. So this is the this is the table that we have created. So we suppose you can see we have one option that is called A to Z, sort A to Z. We are getting here. These are the different types of genres. So we are getting A to Z. Okay. So suppose I want to sort the reverse way, like Z to A, we can also use this. Okay. Similarly, what about this? So here our sorting option is not enabled. Okay. This is here we will find this sorting option is not enabled. But here what we can do, so to that sort this data, okay, or filter this data, what we can do, we can click here, then we have some more options, more sort options. Okay, we can here see the descending order. Suppose Z to A, we want to see descending order, and this is the data. Gross revenue we want to see. We can click here. Then okay, we find it is in descending order. Okay, it is in descending order. One thing that you must note when we are applying the sort option in revenue in column B. So this sort option in column A, this is not enabled. You can see these have changed. Earlier we had here A to Z, now it is also changed. That means in MS Excel here we can enable one sort options. Okay. So similar things also we can do for we can check for like budget. We can also see we are getting this. Okay. So these are all changing. But what happens? Suppose we want to use filters. Okay, filter, as you know, we want to see the data based on certain conditions. Okay. So suppose I want to see, we have here label filter because we have two. You can see these are the text based column. This is the text based column and these are value based column. There is a number numeric columns we are getting here. So what we can do here, suppose I want to see, you can see we have equal, doesn't equal, begin with, something begin with. This is text based, something begin with A. Okay, something begin with A. Label filters we are that applying here. This is called label, A column. Okay. So you can see we have three genres: action, adventure, and animations. We have it, and these are the revenue and budgets against it. Okay. So here uh, you can see the value. Suppose take for example, we will see the value. Okay, value, that is something greater than. Okay, something greater than. This is one random number I am putting. Okay, let us see. So you see only action is coming. This is having the value greater than this. Okay, so we are getting this. Let us clear it, all the filter, let us clear. Okay, so what happens, we want to use multiple filters. Okay, we want to use multiple filters. So how to do it? If we want to enable multiple filters, what we can do, let us see. Begin with A. Okay, we are getting this. But at the same time, I want to see the gross revenue. Okay, so what we can do, any cell of the table that I can read, that we have to right click. Okay, right click, then we have pivot table options. Okay, we have pivot table options. Under pivot table options, you can see you can give a particular name if you want, and then we can click here. Total and filters, totals and filter. Under this, allow multiple filters per field. So let me click it. You can now, for this also you can also use. So now you see we have label filters active. Okay, we have done it by using begin with A, and we can also activate this value filter. Value filter that is greater than a particular value. Okay, particular value. Take for example, suppose one particular value, just one random value I am putting. Let us see. Okay, you can see. So I have the filter is that I have used a filter for revenue. Okay, greater than a particular value, therefore it is coming. Okay, so that means one genre is also deleted here. Okay, that means it is not deleted, it is hidden because the value is below the certain criteria, therefore it is coming. Okay, so what we have learned in these lessons, you can see. Okay, so we have seen the sort options inside that pivot table, and also we saw also filtering option inside the pivot table. Okay, basically these sorting options rearranges data based on column values, while a filtering displays only data that meets specific criteria. This criteria can be a particular number, or greater than particular number, or less than particular number, or between the particular number also we can filter like this. These are the ways how we can use this sort and filter option within MS Excel pivot table. That's for the lesson. See you in the next one.